Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos in HD. So once you're on youtube.com, you will need a few things to be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and find a video from my channel. I'm going to just type in Drew tutorial right here. Let's do that. And let's say I want to download this video. But before we do, I'm going to open up this video in a new tab so that we have it. Before we're able to download any video from YouTube, you need to at least have YouTube Premium, and you can easily find YouTube Premium on the left side. If you scroll down, there will be a section called More from YouTube, and you may see the YouTube Premium right here. Now, if you're not able to see it right here, no worries. You can click your profile in the upper right. There will be an option called premium benefits, or you will see purchases and membership. You can click on that and you'll be able to now manage, or let's say sign up for premium. So if you're not seeing it, you can do it. You can click on it and you can start to, let's say, register for a premium. You'll get 1 month for free. Once you register, YouTube will give you a 1 month trial, so you can easily try YouTube Premium for free, right? And if you love it, you continue with your subscription. If you don't, you follow the same steps, click manage, and you can pause it or cancel the subscription if you no longer need it, right? But there's a lot of benefits to this, and one of the amazing benefits is to download videos on YouTube. So what I want to mention to you is that by default, when you download videos on YouTube, it is not downloaded in HD. And I'm going to show you how all of this actually works, right? So what you do is you go ahead and register first for the premium. Then you want to go ahead and click on downloads on the left side. Right now, you will see there is nothing right here. And this is because I haven't downloaded anything just yet. But I'm going to show you in a bit how it actually works. But what happens before you download a video, you want to ensure that you go here to downloads, click the settings on the upper right, and here you will see it is set to the standard. The standard for 80p is what it is set to by default. And so if you want to download YouTube videos in HD, you want to set it to HD right here. So full HD, right? This is going to allow you to download YouTube videos in HD, right? And so whenever you go to any videos afterwards, let's take this video for example. We scroll down under the video and you may see a download button here. If you're not, you click the three dots right here and you find download, you click download. For anyone who don't have YouTube Premium, once you try this, it's going to give you a pop-up as well, asking you that you need to upgrade to YouTube Premium or you need YouTube Premium to be able to download videos. And you can see that it's finished downloading. Now I'm going to go back to my downloads, right? Click on downloads again, and it's going to show me all my downloads, right? So this is where it is. I'm going to just click the sidebar here to expand and click on downloads. Here you can see that I have the video, right? And this is now downloaded in full HD because we set it in HD. Now you may be wondering, how does this work? It works by once you don't have any internet connection. If you have internet connection, you don't need to download it, right? And so you can watch YouTube by not like normally. But if you don't have an active internet connection, YouTube will still work. The YouTube Premium will still work. YouTube will still work. The only difference is that you're only able to watch videos that is downloaded. And that's it, right? Now I'm going to show you how it actually works as well, being that I'm showing you everything, right? All the sauce right here. So you want to go find your internet. I'm going to find my internet right here. As you can see, this is my internet. And I am going to click this right here. And I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi. See, now I have no internet, as you can see. And so I can refresh and YouTube will still work. You will see that it works. I don't need to worry. The only difference is that I cannot search for anything else. As you can see right here, if I click on even home or premium, it's going to take me back here. But I can click on my video. Let me pause a bit and you can see that it still works, right? So this is my video. I'm going to show you it's working completely fine. And you can see, let me just pause again. You can see right here that it is in HD. See, if I click here, you can see the quality is in HD. And so that's it, guys. This is how you actually download YouTube videos in HD. right? But you need YouTube Premium to be able to do this. And so that's pretty much all there is to it. Let me connect my internet once again. But that's it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and thank you, guys. And looking forward to see you in my next video.